What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube. Today we're learning how to play Angeldust by Lil Peep. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. Also, when you get done, jump in the description below. I've left a link there for a free ebook for you guys called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. It's great for all skill levels. It's just a little gift that I like to give to you guys for coming to the channel and checking out the content. Also, all the equipment that I use in the videos is linked down there as well. So if you're interested in that, you want to see like the kind of stuff that I'm using to make these videos, that's all in the description as well. So when you get done, check all that out. But for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Alright guys, so you're starting out in drop D, which is standard tuning, and then you're going to tune your low E string down to a D note. So this note and that note should be the same. Now this song is very simple. You're only playing 4 different chords and you're only picking 3 strings. You're picking your low D, your A, and your high D in that order through all 4 chords. And the first chord is just that, it's open. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take your index finger and you're just going to bar the 3rd fret, and you really only need to do the bottom three strings because those are the only ones that you're going to play. And by bar, for those of you who may not know, it just means using one finger to press all of them down. So you're going to press all 3 of your thickest strings down with just one finger. And again, you're picking those same 3 strings. Then you're going to jump up to your 8th fret and do the same thing. Then jump down to your 7th fret and same thing. So slowly it looks like this. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Again, don't forget to get your free ebook in the description below before you leave. Also, any questions or comments, concerns, or any other songs that you guys want me to teach you, leave all that in the comments section below. Again, please don't forget to subscribe if you're new here, and we will see you guys in the next video.